For your dealership to have highly performant SEO, you need a strong content strategy. But what does that mean? I'm going to tell you in less than 3 minutes. How many words should be on a page to be effective for SEO? Content for SEO needs to be 3 things. It needs to be long form, it needs to be unique to your website, and it needs to be written with consumers in mind, not to game search engines. So let's take those one at a time. First of all, long form is going to be 1,000+ words. You can perform a Google search. We can do it right now for how long should my SEO content be. So the results are going to vary. You can sit here all day reading different versions of the truth here. But what you'll find is a lot of this, where the results are somewhere in the 2,000 words range or high 1,000 word range. There is no one true answer. It's not that Google is looking for 1,000 words specifically. It's that you need to write at least 1,000 words to have a prayer of covering a topic in a way that is robust enough and answers enough questions that you've developed that relevancy on your website that's going to give you a shot at actually showing up. So that's length. We talked about uniqueness. The content has to be unique to your website. If it's not, you just aren't going to get any search relevance for that. Google is well aware that there's a different source that had it first. So all of your content should be written from the ground up internally by you or by an agency that can handle that responsibly for you. And the last item is it needs to be written for consumers, not for search engines. Now, we can give you a little bit of a tip on how to do this. So let's say 2022 Honda Pilot trims. Just throw one out there, and this is exactly what you'll typically find. So the people also ask box is common to most Google searches, not all, but most. And if it doesn't show up for your chosen search, just modify your search a little bit until you find one. What it's going to do is it's going to give you a bunch of questions that Google considers to be relatively synonymous to the main question or related to it. And you'll initially see typically 4. If you expand one and then collapse it again, it will add more. If you expand one and collapse it again, it will add more. And so this is a cheat sheet that Google gives you, showing you what kinds of topics you should cover on a landing page about the Honda Pilot in order to be relevant for that search topic. So if you sit there and you wonder, how on earth do I write 2,000 words about the Honda Pilot or about Honda Pilot trims or Honda Pilot for sale? The answer is let Google give you the playbook. It is difficult to write 2,000 words about these different questions, but at least you have a structure to be able to form your content around.